Hi everybody, this is a quick video if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F52 error code. So what is the F52 error code and can we get rid of it? How do we get rid of it? So to start with, the F52 error code is that the heating pressure switch is throwing up a fault and it's not able to finish its thing, so it resets. It feels an error and it resets. And we need to figure out what's going on. And the pressure switch itself might need to be replaced, and you'll probably need a technician for that. But before you do that, one of the things that might be causing this that you can fix, that you can deal with, is that an excess of sudsy buildup can prevent the pressure switch from working properly. And so one of the things we want to do is make sure we're getting all the suds out of here, and then see if we can't get rid of this error. So to get all of the suds out of the machine, what you want to do is just run an empty load, run an empty cycle with no detergent, to just get all that detergent washed out of there. And then see if that doesn't get rid of this error. And if it does, that means that what was causing it was the sudsiness and too much detergent. And you want to make sure going forward you not use too much detergent, and also make sure you're using the right kind of detergent. Make sure you're using that high efficiency detergent, and that should prevent this error from coming back. Otherwise, you're probably going to need to replace the heat pressure switch. You're probably going to have a technician come out and do that. But hopefully, just dealing with the excess detergent will get rid of the problem. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.